What up? It's your boy Carlo. So let's get into it today. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the personal capital account. So basically, what this application is, it's an investing and budgeting app where you have all your accounts in one place. So it could track your spending, your expenses, and your cash flow. So let's dive right into it. So if you look right over here in your upper left, it has the total net worth, and right under it, assets, liabilities, and then right over here, drop it down low, drop it down low, drop it down low. Has your cash. So once you link all your different accounts, whether it be your checkings, your savings, all your different online accounts, prepaid debit cards, whatever it may be, it gets linked over here and it'll tabulate all of it right over here. Investments. So all your different brokerage accounts, whether it be Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, Wealthfront, M1 Finance, Fundrise, all your 401ks, 403bs, IRAs, whatever investment brokerage accounts that you have, it will tabulate it all over here, as well as all of your credit card debt. As and the cool thing about it, it actually lets you add your assets, your houses, your cars, your boats, whatever things that you actually own, physical assets that may have value, you could add it right over there. So, looking at the dashboard, it has a graphical representation of the total net worth, has the update of your overall total portfolio compared to the different indexes, and dropping down even lower, your budgeting, so you could have your total monthly budget and it breaks it down where all your money is going. So healthcare, medical, restaurants, entertainment, fuel. So this one, once you click that one, it could show you a breakdown of where all your money is going. Cash flow, where all the income versus your expenses, as well as your portfolio balance. So let's go right over here, cash flow. So the cool thing with cash flow, it lets you compare your current month versus your previous month. And once you go over here, and you could actually compare it last month and change the date. So it's pretty cool. And then right over here, your income, it actually helps you average it out, how much you make per month. And then whether it be your salary, your deposits, other income. So once you actually add all your different accounts, it puts it all in one place, so you could really analyze your income, has all your expenses right over here. So great function where I was saying earlier, great to help you manage your budget as well as where all your money is going. Next part right over here. Let's go into investing. Let's click that right there. So what I really like about the personal capital app, it's really great when it analyzes your overall investing account. So when you look over here, it monitors your total portfolio, including all your different brokerage accounts. So right over here, if we look, I've been actually doing a lot better than the S&P 500. I like to use the S&P 500 as a benchmark to gauge overall how my portfolio is doing. And let's see. So over the last 90 days, I've been doing actually much better. see. So I'm doing like 1% better than the S&P 500. Yee! And then it has all the different holdings that you do have. So I'll definitely share my holdings that I do own. Southwest Airlines, definitely a really, really great company. Nike, just do it, baby. So right all over here. And once we go to balances, it shows the overall total portfolio balance, and all the different colors shows a different brokerage account. So you could actually drop down here if you want to analyze a specific brokerage account. You just select that one. You could customize the days right over here. Then moving on to performance, let's drop that down right there. So your overall your performance of your portfolio, you could, like I said earlier, you could select which particular account you want to look at, change the different days. Then allocation. Thing I really, really like about this one is it really gives you a breakdown of your asset allocation. So let's take a peek right here. So with all of your investments, it categorizes it. There's large cap, core, value, mid cap, small cap. So it definitely helps you see where you're heavily invested, where you might be lacking, where you might be overly weighted. So it really helps you analyze what you're doing. And then right over here, let's go back again. Same thing. If we look at, so we're looking at the international portfolio. So 14% in developed and 11% in emerging markets. And the last part right over here. I like this one as well, the US sector. So the different asset allocations helps you see. So I'm really heavily invested in tech as well as consumer cyclical. And it really helps you take the guesswork out of your overall investing as well as your retirement. So moving on to retirement planner. So you could actually edit this. So whatever you want to add a house, you want to add when you want to retire, and then it analyzes everything in your portfolio, cash, investments, all of that, and it really helps you see how successful you'll be able to attain that. It has just the graphical representation, how much you plan to spend per month once you retire, the age you want to retire at, the savings, and your social security. So it just really helps you see and gauge where you'll be at when you retire. And all of this is free in the personal capital account. And let's go to retirement fee analyzer. So what I really like this one, it helps you see the hidden fees in all your investment accounts. So its benchmark is 0.5% for the overall expense ratios of your investments. So I definitely love this one because I was trying to make sure I'm gonna get down lower the 0.5, and I finally attained it. So if I did a video earlier within the year, I was like at 0.52, but I definitely been trying to refine and cut the fat of the expense ratios for my retirement. And the higher the expense ratio, the more fees that you're paying over time. It's my time to go to work, baby. But let's get it. And right over here, your contributions, earnings, and total fees. So it kind of helps you see. And right here, as I move the cursor down below, how much money that I'll probably have. And you could edit your annual contributions. I like to max out. I've been finally, since I got my 9 to 5, I've been making a lot more money. And then your employer contribution. Let's see, right here in the last part, right over here that I wanted to go over with you is your investment checkup. So it helps you see just more so like a breakdown based on your portfolio. So if we go down here, you can adjust what you want your portfolio to represent. I'm in the most aggressive. I'm in my late 20s. So I don't really feel that I need bonds too much. I could handle a lot of risk. So right now I'm at the most aggressive. And then based on your risk tolerance, it'll create your target allocation. And then you could definitely compare your portfolio to what they ideally want you to be for your target allocation. And if we go down more, based on their target allocation versus what you currently have for your portfolio, kind of gauges where you could be at versus where you are at. Let's see where. And then right over here, just more the efficient frontier. If you want to have a video on that one, drop a link or drop a comment down below if you want me to explain this one, but I'm basically right by it. And just more so a really thorough breakdown of your investments. It says I'm overweight in cash. I definitely feel within this year or in 2020 there's going to be a recession, so I'm either going to buy a house or just double down on all the great stocks that are going to get hammered by the recession. And I am underweight in alternatives. One last thing that I did want to add is once you hit $100,000 net worth, Personal Capital will give you a call just for a free investment run through. So if you want to have a talk with them, they will contact you once you hit 100,000. I'm gonna end the video right over here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below. Do you guys use Personal Capital? Or do you guys thinking about using Personal Capital? I'm gonna leave a link down below. So if you guys do want to join Personal Capital, I'm gonna drop my link down below. You'll get, I believe it was, how much was it? Like 20 bucks for Amazon. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.